Have you ever clicked on a link, signed up for something, and then started getting emails or offers that seemed perfectly timed? That's not luck. That's a marketing funnel. A funnel is basically the step-by-step path that takes someone from just finding out about a product all the way to buying it, and sometimes buying again. The big difference between random marketing and a funnel: with a funnel, every step is planned. You guide people from curiosity to interest to trust, and finally, to the sale. Here's how it works. At the top of the funnel, you get attention, maybe through social media, ads, or free content. In the middle, you build a connection. This could be through an email list, videos, or special tips. And at the bottom, you make the offer, giving people the final push to buy. The crazy part is, funnels don't just sell once. A good funnel keeps working, turning one-time buyers into loyal customers who come back again and again. And here's why this is such a big deal. Without a funnel, people might see your product once and forget about it. With a funnel, you stay in front of them until they're ready to buy, and you make way more sales with the same effort. Building a funnel is simple when you have the right tools. Step 1, attract the right audience. Step 2, give them something valuable for free, like a guide or a video. Step 3, follow up with more value and offers until they buy. Now, if you want to skip the trial and error and get a complete system that already works, check out the Digital Wealthy Academy. It has 30+ lessons, tools, and even a resale license so you can earn 100% profit selling it yourself. The link's in the description. And if you're not ready for that, I've got The Million Gold. It's 6 high-value eBooks you can resell and keep all the profit. Low cost, big potential. So, are you going to keep letting people slip through your fingers, or are you finally going to build a funnel that makes sales 24/7? Click the link, start today, and let's make your phone work for you.